This is Matt, and this will be a quick, straightforward video on how to convert from pounds, British pounds, to US dollars online. So I'm right here on this Wise currency converter calculator. You can see the URL on the screen here is quite long, so I'll put that in the video description just below. So you click on that link and wind up here. Now by default, we see that 1,000 Great British pounds is currently at $1,379.35. Now you can of course change this amount if you wanted to put 12,000 in here. You can see that's $16,552 currently. Obviously you could put all kinds of obscure numbers, and you can put that obviously as high as you want. You can put all kinds of figures in here, right in there, and you immediately get the conversion. Now you can send money with Wise. It is obviously an app. You don't have to sign in to use this. You can access this page, you can bookmark it, you can use it anywhere in the world, whether you're on your cell phone, mobile phone, tablet, desktop, wherever you are. And you can also use multiple currencies. It's a really helpful little interface they've got here, so you can choose your currency here and you can use the search bar as well. But hopefully you found that video on how to convert from British pounds, sterling to US dollars useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.